This is the simplest way to start uppercase pencil calligraphy. The most important thing to understand is the difference between upstrokes and downstrokes. Upstrokes are done with light pressure, while downstrokes are done with heavy pressure. To begin, practice some basic curves and strokes to get your hand and muscles used to the movements. Now move on to uppercase letters. Write slowly and lift your pencil after each curve. Focus on drawing each letter carefully, rather than just writing fast. Maintain a good posture, and instead of moving your body, move your paper to stay comfortable and steady. This small trick makes a big difference in your writing quality. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Watch my other calligraphy tutorials for more inspiration. Happy writing!